on your iPhone, you could set up your settings so that every time an app has an update, it downloads it immediately. I decided not to, and the reason why I decided not to is that I want to make a decision when an app is updated is whether or not, A, do I want that update? I don't really have any reason not to for the most part, but B, the most important thing is for me to look through the apps and make a decision, do I still want that app? Let me show you how you manually update your apps on your iPhone and how you review and make a decision to keep or delete an app. I'm going to go into my app store right here, iPhone App Store. Now in the upper right hand corner, you see the 20 on my initials. I click on that. And these are my apps that I have purchased. Now if I scroll down through the list, right down at the very top, available updates, update all. However, I could scroll down through here and I could find an app that I no longer want on my phone. And then instead of updating it, I can make a decision to get rid of it. Let's use my radar as an example. Now, I don't want to click update. I don't want to click on my radar. What I want to do is put my finger gently on the icon, hold it just gently for enough time for this to pop up. So here's my options now. I have the ability to update up top below my radar, weather radar. But down in the bottom down here below share, see ratings, write review, I have the ability to delete the app. Let me do that again with another one. Go back into my updates, and I'm going to use Reddit as an example. Again, instead of clicking update, just gently hold your finger on the icon of Reddit until the Reddit screen pops up with update right there. And again, delete at the bottom. For me, this is very useful. I can hit delete, and now it's going to ask me, do I want to delete this app and all the data? Yes, delete the app. And so now I've deleted the app, and in A, it's no longer on my iPhone, and B, it's no longer in my update apps list. Now, once I scroll through here and make a decision which ones I want to get rid of, and that's pretty much all I want to get rid of, I can go back to the top of the list, hit update all, and then hit done. By the way you change your app updates from automatic to manual or manual automatic is in settings. If I go into settings, come down and find apps down here in App Store. Click on App Store in settings. So under automatic downloads, you'll see app downloads, app updates, and in-app content all turned off. So it does not automatically download new apps. It does not automatically update my apps, and it does not automatically download content the first time I launch an app. Turn it all off. You can still use the apps effectively with this off. I recommend you turn it all off so you can make decisions before they automatically update.